Got one.
Thing's little.
First cast for him, and he's using my own rod. That's not that little.
It's
Can we
okay.
keep it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that looks so
Yes,
good.
son. Yes, son. That's not little, dude.
That's about like a pound and a half. What is that, pound and a half?
I can't believe he just caught one. He
On
just
the
showed
first
all of us
cast.
out.
You got pliers, Kyle?
No, I got my knife, though. Oh, God, don't let it be like that one fish. Pretty. This is bigger than that one. Looks like it's pregnant.
Almost got it. Got that one.
Let me hold this one so it doesn't get back in there.
Oh, my.
Poke you in the eyeball.
Yeah, hold that tripod hook.
Can I mount this?
It's too small, man.
Hey, hold on.